Did you know that lack of mobility causes scar tissue adhesions and the inflammatory response within hours? With immobility, you're not firing proprioceptors. These are the little nerves that are in your joints all over the place in your spine that tell your brain where your body is in space. This will cause two things to happen. Number one, this lack of mobility will increase nociceptor firing. These are the nerves that transmit pain to your brain. These nociceptors, or pain fibers, are stimulated by the inflammatory state that's caused by a joint not moving. And because proprioceptors inhibit nociceptors, because the proprioceptors aren't firing because of the joint being immobile, then the pain signals are not being inhibited and you feel that pain from an immobile joint. And also, when you're not firing proprioceptors, you're reducing input to the brain. So as those joints in your spine are not moving, you're reducing input to the brain. This could change your mood, your cortisol levels, and this low-level inflammatory state caused by immobile joints causes or has been linked with anxiety, depression, cancer, heart disease, lowered immunity, and also affect your gut. So why do we talk about this as chiropractors? Because your joints are designed to move, to bend, to flex, extend, rotate, and the proprioceptors, which are located in these joint capsules, need stimulation. So even though you think you can touch your toes, that doesn't mean that your entire spine is moving freely. For example, if these beads represent your spine, and the white ones are the ones that are moving properly, and the red ones are the ones that are not moving, they're immobile, causing inflammation, you can see that someone trying to touch their toes can bend forward and they're getting movement in the white beads, but you can see the three red beads are not moving at all. So the inflammatory process would begin right in here, including issues with the discs, getting hydration through imbibition, and this is the area that we as chiropractors look to adjust to create that motion and inhibit that inflammatory process. So to sum it up, this lack of mobility in your joints or anywhere in your body is perceived by your brain as a stressor. So stress in the brain will cause stress in the gut, and this entire inflammatory response caused by the immobile joints will shift your entire metabolism and immune response towards stress and illness. So remember, movement is needed for health. It's your best antidepressant. So if you're feeling stuck, don't ignore it any longer. If you have any questions, drop us a DM. Let's chat.